There are a lot products available to decide upon best Christmas outdoor lights, every different with different characteristics, amazing benefits, and prices. To help you create an informed decision, I did so extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled here are the best Christmas lights from reputable labels. After much research, I recently came across these products, much of great help for people like you. Should you wish to know about the price and various other information, be sure to my description. So without the need for further delay, let's jump toward Number 1. Snowflake Christmas Projector Lights Outdoor Gooseter Christmas Decorations. About this item, 2024 Upgrade Christmas Snowflake Projector Lights. This Christmas light projector outdoor is equipped with a total of 12 built-in lamp beads that work in harmony to create a captivating visual display. These waterproof LEDs produce 4 dynamic snowflake patterns combined, simulating the mesmerizing beauty of falling snowflakes. Walls, ceilings, and houses will be transformed into a world of beauty with these snowflake Christmas decorations. All-season durability. Christmas Snowfall Projector Light Outdoor features IP65 premium waterproofing, which signifies superior protection against rain, snow, and even dust. The IP44 power adapter of Christmas Lights Outdoor Projector further enhances its durability. Highlight that this holiday projector lights outdoor is not limited to Christmas. It can create a festive atmosphere for various occasions, such as New Year, birthdays, weddings, and other celebrations, even in inclement weather. Dazzling visual impact. Highlight that the newly upgraded high-brightness waterproof LED lamp beads of the Christmas Projector Lights Outdoor deliver a stunning and dazzling visual display. Christmas Lights Outdoor Projector is suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. Ultra-high quality projection lights display smooth flying snowflakes with perfect speed and movement, adding a dynamic element to the Christmas decoration and making it more attractive. 360 degrees rotation and easy setup. Achieve the perfect holiday projector lights display angle with ease. LED Christmas projector lights outdoor can be adjusted 360 degrees for projects. A mesmerizing, lifelike snowflake pattern, transforming any indoor or outdoor space into a romantic Christmas decoration landscape. Enjoy a stress-free Christmas decorations experience with our easy-to-use Christmas projector. We can easily mount the projector light on the wall, fix it on the ground, or insert it into the lawn. Great gift idea. The Christmas Projector Lights Outdoor Indoor allows. Number 2. Something White String Lights 48 feet wide outdoor lights. About this item, high quality and long lasting. This white outdoor string light is made of durable 18-gauge thick wire and high quality copper, as well as LED bulbs, which not only saves energy, but also reduces maintenance costs. Unlike other seasonal string lights with thin wires that only last 3 months, this durable string light is ETL certified for safe and secure use in any weather year-round. Strong, waterproof, and shatterproof even after several hours of work in rain or snow. Every LED bulb can keep working well. Bulbs are made of plastic, which is much more shatter-resistant than traditional glass bulbs. Our white patio lights will not break easily even if dropped. It is very safe and friendly for families with kids. Dimmable. This white cord string light is compatible with something dimmer perfectly to dimming the brightness by remote, or connect with smart dimmer for voice control and phone control. Dimmer sold separately. Connectable. This white string lights have end-to-end connections, which means you can connect multiple sets to achieve the perfect length for any INSTALLATION up to 37 strands. Ideal outdoor lighting. This white outdoor lights are not only perfect for celebrating weddings, Number 3. Almi Christmas Lights 131 FT 400 LED color changing Christmas tree lights with 11 modes remote control. About this item, high quality Christmas lights. Total length is up to 131 feet. You can have extra long multicolor Christmas lights to decorate anywhere you want, such as yards, house, garden, Christmas tree, bush, and bedroom. Remote control and 11 lighting modes. Our outdoor Christmas lights come with a remote control and have 4 steady lighting modes plus 7 flashing modes. Just press the button on the remote control or adapter to switch different lighting modes at will to get the Christmas atmosphere. You may have the coziest house in the neighborhood. IP44 waterproof. IP44 waterproof means it can be used indoors and outdoors, and secure against dust, rain, snow, or accidental water contact. 100% protected against solid objects like dust and sand, with no fear of rainy, storm, snowy days. Safety to touch with a 29V low voltage power adapter is Number 4. Outdoor Lights Strings 330 FT 800 LED Waterproof Christmas Lights. Ultra-long and tri-bright Christmas lights with 330 feet, 100 meters, and 800 super bright LED. These Christmas lights are long enough for most ornaments. Our string lights are all certified and made of high-quality material, so the lights are lighter, brighter, and have lengthy lifespans. Waterproof outdoor string lights. The Fairy Lights waterproof rating reaches IP65. The plug is IP44 waterproof, perfect for indoor and outdoor decorations, even on rainy days. The string lights adopts 31V low voltage plug, passing all certification, which is lower than the safety voltage. No worry hurts your baby or pets. 8 lighting modes and 4 brightness levels. Our string lights have 8 different lighting modes for different occasions, moods, and holidays. These Christmas lights are also with 4 brightness levels. In the dark, the cable fades to invisible, leaving only the fairy lights, creating a romantic atmosphere. Memory and timer function. The controller of the Christmas lights outdoor is designed to remember the last setting after cutting off the power. No need to set the light again. For timer, 6 hours on and 18 hours off automatically every 24 hours once timer activated. Perfect Christmas LED decoration. Our string lights outdoor that decorate whatever you want with these sparkling lights. This Christmas string lights is an ideal decoration for rooms, balconies, yards, fences, weddings, trees, roofs, gardens, streets, and holidays. Number 5. Color-changing Christmas string lights outdoor indoor. About this item, warm white and multicolor. Color changing comes with 3 color modes. You can set multicolor only, warm white only, or a combination of warm white and multicolor for different holidays or occasions. The 16 feet extend long power cord make it very easier for outdoor decoration. End-to-end connectable. Each fairy light comes with an end-to-end plug, which makes you can connect max 3 sets together. Each one length is 108 feet with 300 LEDs. The max expandable length is 324 feet with 900 LEDs. 9 lighting modes, with 9 working modes. 2 colors combination, multicolor steady on, warm white steady on, multicolor slow glow, warm white slow glow, 2 color sequential, 2 color twinkle flash, 2 colors slow fade, 2 colors slow glow, 4 levels dimmable and smart timer. You can adjust the brightness from 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, or set the 18 off in 6 hours on timer. Smart remote control and IP65 waterproof. Handy smart remote make it easy to control. Please click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.